Hi everyone, I'm Mani, the CEO and founder of Valor. In this video, we're going to be talking about solar asset purchases. By the end, you'll understand what they are, their benefits, and some popular solar structures. So let's get started. Renewable energy is currently experiencing a surge in popularity, and the Biden administration and Congress have decided to go all in to incentivize these types of investments. As a result, buying solar energy projects has become increasingly attractive for investors. By taking advantage of solar purchases, any high earner can increase their take-home income by 35% or more by reducing their taxes on capital gains and ordinary income like salary, RSUs, a bonus, business income, and other sources. The government offers three main benefits for individuals looking to buy qualified solar projects. Investment tax credits. A tax credit is a dollar-for-dollar reduction in the amount of taxes you owe. It is in a sense similar to a gift card or store credit you can use to reduce your tax bill. For example, if you owe $1,000 in taxes and you have a $500 tax credit, your tax liability would be reduced to $500. Depreciation. Depreciation is the amount of value that a physical asset loses over time. From a tax standpoint, it is relevant because you may be able to take a deduction for this amount, reducing your taxable income and saving money on your taxes. Let's say you have a $2 million income and would owe $750,000 in federal taxes. If you had $800,000 in depreciation, you would be able to use that depreciation to write off $800,000 of income, leaving you at $1.2 million of taxable income. As a result, you would owe only $440,000 in federal taxes, a savings of $330,000. Income stream. Solar projects typically include 15 to 25-year income streams tied to the energy produced by the project. These returns depend on the location of the project and local energy rates, among other factors, but typically will generate between 3 to 7% annually of your investment amount. So, you understand the benefits from buying solar projects. Let's now talk about the different structure options. Two of the most popular are flip partnerships and sale leasebacks. A flip partnership allows investors to receive a greater share of the tax credits and depreciation relative to their investment. The partnership is structured with three partners: a sponsor who is responsible for developing and operating the solar energy project, an investor who provides funding for the project, and a bank that provides debt financing that increases the total investment in the project and the tax credits and depreciation available to the investor. These structures work by allocating typically 99% of the tax credits and depreciation to the investor partner in the early years of the project. In return, the sponsor partner receives the majority of the cash flow from the project over its lifetime. Flip partnerships are a particularly good fit for individuals and businesses aiming to offset more than $500,000 in annual income. A sale leaseback, on the other hand, is a financial arrangement in which a solar project developer sells a solar system to an investor and then leases it back from the investor. This way, the investor benefits from tax incentives and a steady income stream from the project with minimal overhead, and the developer operates, maintains the system, and is able to take the risk and make a profit based on the spread between the price they sell the electricity and what they pay the investor. Solar sale leasebacks are a good fit for individuals who want cash flow and/or have smaller tax write-off needs. As you can see, purchasing solar projects offers significant benefits for individuals looking to reduce their taxes and increase their long-term returns. The government provides incentives in the form of tax credits, depreciation, and income streams, making renewable energy investments increasingly attractive for high earners. I really hope you found this video useful. In the next one, you're going to learn more about each structure, their benefits, risks, qualifications, and limitations that people should take into account when buying solar projects. Please leave any questions or comments you have below.
Now, a quick word about Valor. We've built a platform to give everyone access to the tax planning tools of billionaires like Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg and others. We make it simple and seamless to pick the best strategy, set up, and administer these structures at a fraction of the cost of competitors. I really hope you found this video useful. If you still have any questions, please visit our website at Valur, VALUR.io, where you can read more content on these subjects, play with our online calculator to discover your potential financial gains, or schedule a call with us.